continuous prayer, masses, and spiritual reflection held at the cathedral. The Fluvial procession, the grand finale, the third Saturday or Sunday of September. The images are transported back to the shrine by a beautifully decorated barge pagoda gliding down the Naga River. The city also hosts street parades, beauty and pageants, military exhibition, and food fairs. The Peña Francia Festival. Next is candidate number 3, the Palay Festival. The Palay Festival is an annual Thanksgiving celebration dedicated to the rice harvest and the hardworking farmers who sustain the community. Primarily celebrated in major agricultural hubs like Nara, Rizal, and Nueva Ecija. It honors rice cultivation and the rich cultural heritage of these regions. Once again, the Palay Festival. Next is candidate number 4. The Tinapang Salinas Festival, also known as the Tinapang Festival, is an annual cultural celebration held every October in the municipality of Rosario, Cavite in the Philippines. The festival honors the town's rich fishing heritage and its famous smoked fish delicacy. The festival is a vibrant community affair that pays homage to Tinapang Salinas, a type of smoked fish native to the town, typically made from galunggong, blackfin scamp, or bangus or milkfish. Once again, the Tinapang Festival. 5. The Pahiyas Festival of Lukban, Quezon, keeping leaf style designs are the most critical visual element used in festival costume. It celebrates a rich harvest to honor San Isidro Labrador, while keeping its traditional leaf-shaped rice water used to decorate houses. Costume designers recreate its distinct shape, translucent texture, and bright neon colors to craft stunning award-winning outfits for street dancers and festival queens. The festival costume was made of jute sack or burlap designed with a keeping leaf with colorful lining and fruit and vegetables, together with decorative colorful backdrops which creates more festive and give life to the Pahiyas Festival costume. Once again, the Pahiyas Festival. Next, candidate number 6. The Mascara Festival. The Mascara Festival is an annual vibrant celebration held every October in Bacolod City, Philippines. Famed for its street dancing and elaborately decorated smiling masks. Created in the 1980s, the festival symbolizes the city's resilience and optimism in the face of economic hardship and tragedy. Once again, the Mascara Festival. Next is candidate number 7. The Dinagyang Festival is a world-class religious and cultural celebration held annually on the 4th Sunday of January in Luna City, Philippines. Rooted in Hiligaynon or Dagyang, meaning merrymaking. The festival is widely celebrated as the queen of all Philippine festivals due to its grand-scale innovation and striking choreography. The festival uniquely blends two historic and spiritual themes, devotion to Santo Niño that is held in deep reverence for the Holy Child Jesus. The Garter of Hunan that commemorates the 30th century peaceful pact and land exchange between indigenous Ati ancestors and arriving Bornean Datus on Panay Island. Once again, the Dinagyang Festival. Next is candidate number 8. The Heart of Bohol. This festival costume is a sophisticated tribute to Bohol's resilient spirit, breathtaking nature, and rich history born with pride by a modern woman, embodying the island's heritage key elements. The backdrop is stunning reimagining of Bohol's most iconic landmark, the thousand of conical chocolate hills and the endemic parsley. The body armor of this sophisticated construction inspired by the strength and valor of the Sandugo Blood Contact Festival. It symbolizes both the warrior spirit of the Bolanon and the precious 156 historical covenant, the spirit of Sandugo. The costume honors the historic 156 by blood contact between the Spanish explorer Miguel Lopez de Legazpi and the Bolano Saindatu Sikatuna, marking the first city of friendship between Filipinos and Spaniards. It stands as an enduring symbol of peace, unity, and mutual respect. Once again, the heart of the whole. Next is candidate number 9, Kaing Festival, an annual celebration in Leon, Iloilo that honors the town's agricultural heritage. Centered around the Kaing, a traditional and proven bamboo basket, the festival features Thanksgiving rituals for a bountiful harvest. The costumes are typically made from various materials such as bamboo and feather, and they are often decorated with beads and other ornaments. Once again, the Kaing Festival. Next is candidate number 10. The Dinagyang Festival is a vibrant, award-winning religious and cultural celebration held annually on the fourth Sunday of January in Iloilo City, Philippines. It honors the Santo Niño, the Holy Child Jesus, and commemorates the historic pact between early Malay settlers and the indigenous Ati people of Panay. Once again, the Dinagyang Festival. Next is candidate number 11. The Zamboanga Hermosa Festival. Oh my God. Can someone help her, please? The Zamboanga. Are you okay? I think she was stepping on her festival. Party is a grand month-long celebration held every October in Zamboanga City, Philippines. It honors Nuestra Señora la Virgen del Pilar, Our Lady of the Pilar, the city's patroness, as one of the oldest and largest festivals in Mindanao. The event brilliantly blends Roman Catholic devotion with Zamboanga's vibrant Sabacano Spanish heritage and diverse indigenous cultures. Once again, the Zamboanga Hermosa Festival. Be careful, Sheila. Next is candidate number 12. Cariala Festival, the Golden Harvest. This Cariala-inspired cocktail ensemble is a wearable tribute to the five people of Wow, Lanao del Sur. It serves as a visual tapestry where the diverse threads of Christian, Lumad, and Muslim heritage are woven into single avant-garde silhouette. Yellow gold, symbolizing the royalty and rich cultural heritage of our Muslim brothers and sisters. The structured piece bodies contrast with a texture pattern skirt, reflecting a blend of traditional modesty and modern festive flair. More than just a dress, this piece celebrates the Cariala Thanksgiving spirit, reminding us that while our traditions may differ, we are all part of the vibrant harvest, thriving together in the heart of all. Once again, the Cariala Festival. Next is candidate number 13. Tinalak Festival is an annual week-long cultural celebration held every July in Coronadal City, the capital of South Cotabato in the Philippines. It serves a dual purpose, commemorating the foundation anniversary of the province and honoring the sacred hand-woven Tinalak cloth. The fabric is a cultural icon of South Cotabato, symbolizing the unity, resilience, and blended heritage of the region's diverse multi-ethnic groups. The festival derives its name from Tinalak, a traditional cloth hand-woven from Abaca. South Cotabato is proudly known as the land of dream weavers. The tightly interlaid threads represent the tight harmony between the tribe people of the province, the indigenous people, mostly Christian settlers. Once again, the Tinalak Festival.
Diyan sa kilid dali. Diyan sa kilid. Diyan mga piano na.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 13 lovely candidates in their festival attire.